Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you create Paysafecard account. So let's get into the video. So go to Google and just search for Paysafecard, or you can straight away go to paysafecard.com. So either way, so if when you get to Google, so you can just straight away click on the Paysafecard registration link. That will take you straight to the setting up account setup page here. So once you get to this page here, so click on set up an account, and then next we are going to start the registration process, and then we're going to like sign up for it. So now all you have to do is select your language, select your country. So I'm going to choose Australia. Right, select your country, click on continue, and then type in your email address and your credentials. All right, so you can do that. Okay, once that's done, all right, tick this, or if you want you can tick this to get offers, and then click on continue. All right, and then now what's going to do, you're going to verify your email address. So go to your email address and then click on the verification link. So I'm going to do that. All right, so let's do that. So go to your email, so whatever email that you just provided, and then click on the email from Paysafecard, and then click on confirm email. So I'm just clicking on that. All right, so my email has been verified. Okay, and then I'll just go back to the page here, my previous page, and then click on continue. All right, and then I'm going to put in my personal details here. Once that's done, hit on continue, and then here type in your address details. All right, once you're done, hit on continue, and then provide your mobile number, and then hit on continue. Once you have done, they will send you a confirmation six-digit code to your mobile number that you just entered. So you're going to plug that in. Right, so plug that in and then proceed for the next step, and then that's it. So now your account has been created, so it's just initiating your account. So this should be done soon, and that's it. Your account has now been set up. So now all you can do is you can start doing your purchases, and that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.